Jeremiah Campbell here with Brickworks Property Restoration. Today we're going to talk about crumbling brick and how we can prevent this. First, I'm going to define what it looks like. When your brick, when the face is fallen off, when it's spalled or shaled, what we know is going on is either freeze-thaw damage or regular erosion. In cold climates like Michigan, we're going to see this mainly in our lower sections and our higher sections. Water is the main culprit when we're dealing with brick that freeze. Brick are made to be porous. That's how they were actually designed. Water will penetrate the brick, which is fine. However, in cold climates like this, it freezes. The brick can only take on so much expansion and contraction before they actually freeze and the face falls off or it starts to get cracks or fractures. If you've been following us for a while, you know the importance of an annual inspection. You can call us out, or if you're out of our service area, go ahead and walk around your home. You're going to make sure nothing looks out of the ordinary. When it comes to brick restoration, it's way better to be proactive than reactive. Once the brick has spalled, or the face has fallen off, or it has cracked, that brick will never get better on its own. The only way to fix it is to replace it. So if you take proactive measure and go out there and tuck point it when needed, replace a couple bad bricks, and apply a penetrating sealer, we're going to get a lot longer life out of your masonry structure. When it comes to water, some of the areas you're really going to want to pay attention to is if you're seeing any mold buildup or any black residue. This is always a telltale sign that something's getting moist. At the top of your gutters, where corners are, at the bottom of downspouts, on the front and around your front doors or your garage door, the tops of your chimney, you're going to see a lot of wear and tear in those areas more so than your flat walls. When you do come across something that you are not happy with or something you want to improve, if it's something you want to take on yourself, go ahead, watch some of our previous videos. But if it's something that you don't want to take on, which most masonry repair is, give us a call, the professionals at Brickworks Property Restoration, 586-868-3234.